looking around for welding carts. And you know, guys, I'm a poor boy, you know. I go to Harbor Freight, stuff like that, check out their tool carts, and what the fuck? There's no good handles on the damn tool carts where you can push them around. You only have enough room just for the welder in them damn tool carts. Not unless you buy one of them baby welders and stuff like that, which I heard work better than the Chicago Electric. Don't know and have not used one. But the Chicago Electric welders, you see there, they're kind of bulky. You know, it don't work too bad. I mean, as long as you just make sure the damn metal's cleaned up good and stuff like that, it don't work too bad for the money. I do wish that I upgraded and stuff like that and everything when I had the money at that time for a welder. I wished I had bought something, but you know, I had to focus on bills too, so I had to do that. So I found this in the garbage yesterday. Well, not in the garbage, but at the scrap pile out there yesterday. And I think it used to be a portable porta-crapper for like the state hospital is what I was told. That's what it looks like. You know, it's got the little places down here for the feet and stuff like that and everything. And I started checking it out, and it's like, you know, this thing, you know, I'm guessing it's supposed to hold at least a 200-pound person. I mean, at least. So, I mean, the casters seem pretty good. They don't seem loose or anything. You know, it's got to be 50s at least. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make a welding cart out of this. Yes. That's how poor I am. We're going to make a welding cart out of a old person's portable crapper. Yeah. I got some grates over there that were actually in here when I first moved into this place and stuff like that. I don't guess anybody's using them. They're getting all rusty and stuff. And look how tall this thing is, though. I mean, it's just perfect. And another thing I like this is these arms do slide down in case... Now, I was thinking about taking them off. You know, you can take these arms off. And I was thinking about doing that, but then it was like, you know, I kind of like that, you know, because it keeps everything stable. The only thing I got to do is flip that down, and either these arms come up. Well, that one don't work so damn well. Or it did before I started this video. Let's see how this one does. Yeah, see there? I can lower it all the way down. Actually, I might just keep those like that. That's actually pretty cool too. But, you know, the hell with it. I just keep them up. If I needed them to come down for, you know, in case of something. And that's a top loader. So I don't got to worry about none of that shit. But, yeah, I'll clean up the rust on here a little bit. Cleaned it up a little bit more. Get rid of the 70-year-old, you know, crap that's been on it and stuff like that. Can you just imagine how many old people took a shit on this chair, though? I mean, that's why I tell all the young kids that watch my show and stuff like that. Man, do whatever you can to go out there and... I mean, don't do whatever you can. Don't go out there and be some piece of shit or a drug dealer or something like that. You know, go out there and do good things, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, go out there and make the money, because... Or one day you'll be like me and stuck in a cold-ass garage building a welding cart out of a old person's porta shitter. But I'm pretty sure that that's what that is. It had like a porta shitter type cushion thing on top of it. So I'm thinking that's what that is. I guess. Or it just might have a chair there, because see where the arm rest used to be and their feet. Maybe this just was just like an old wheelchair or some shit, but I don't know. I know what it's going to be, though. All right, let me get some stuff going on, and we'll get back to it. I wish it had one of these bars back there. But that's okay. All right, guys. Put that down. Now, why can't I take these off? There's a reason I can't take this off. Oh, there we go. Little muddy. Or is that poopy? What do y'all think that is? Hopefully it's mud. We're gonna hope for mud. This one might need a little lube. All right. Cool. Let me do a little bit more back there. How y'all guys viewing? Oh, god damn it. Y'all guys probably wondering why I'm doing this, and the reason why is I want a good weld when I do weld that on the hinge. There we go. Alright. What y'all guys thinking? Think it's gonna work? Think it's gonna work? I got metal at my house, and I was thinking about also doing this in metal, but I'd much rather have a grate just in case. So how are we going to do this? Something like that, huh? So, cut it right here. Well, I actually want that to go back further. So I think what I'm going to do, the thing I'm just going to cut 2 notches in right there so I can slide this in more. And then we'll see where we're at from there. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we back. I decided that I didn't want to cut and slide this back because this fits on there so perfectly, and so does this damn back part. And if I move this back to here, there's nothing really for this to weld on. It'd be like right in here, and I just want most of the strength to be up front. So I did, I just laid a couple tacks right there, and you can see how surprisingly perfect that is. And I decided I kind of like how wide this is. I was wanting to put them handles up here and stuff like that, but I think them handles are just going to get in my way. So I think I'm going to toss the handles. And I think what I'm gonna do is just cut right here and then through here and then weld this to here and then start on the bottom. And I don't think this is gonna be too long of a project, guys. I think this thing's gonna actually look pretty good. So as y'all can see, throw on tack weld there. It's ain't going nowhere. So let's cut this and weld that. Alright guys, got this bottom piece in there. Just had to hack the bottom up and stuff like that. Just kind of move the little things around. But hey, look at that shit. I mean, sturdy. I don't even think I gotta do any, well yeah, I might as well do a little tack welding like right in here and here. Just make sure it doesn't go anywhere. But shit guys, what y'all think? From what it was, from what it is now. Look at that shit. 2 cents in the damn scrapyard, or turn it into something that's workable. That's awesome. What do y'all guys think? Let me know in the comments. Alright, I want to get this stuff down here welding because I can't put the GoPro on my head as I'm using a welding helmet. So let me get this down here welded and then we're going to go from there. Alright guys, that's it. Do a tack weld down here. Kind of a little hard to weld whatever the fuck this is coated on, but yeah, look at that. That's it. My new brand new row cart. That's how you can make a homemade row cart with zero money. Look at that. That thing's teddies. I like it as a high handle. I don't gotta bend down or nothing. Look at that. It's got roller bearing casters on the bottom. And look how big them casters are. Yeah, that thing's solid. Look at that. Top one. Look at that. Yeah. Awesome. Cool. Alright. Give me just a second. Ran out of blue paint. I gotta get some more. You can always do that and make it perfect. Look at that. $0. I got the spray paint for free, got the cart for free, got that great shit for free. Just a little bit of paint. It don't gotta be perfect. It's a welding cart. Wait, let's get the old heat blaster going on. Awesome. And 36 junkies. Y'all think it's a shithole where y'all at. Look at this fucking shit. Sloppy ass rain shit. Nasty. One thing about it though, the damn rain is staying out of my shed or my shop. Little trick I showed y'all with the using the dirt. That shit works. I ain't kidding you. When I first got into here and stuff like that, I came in and there was probably 4 inches of water along that wall. It sucked. Alright. That thing's actually drying pretty quick. So let's put some stuff on it, see how it looks. Oh boy, look at this, guys. Look at that. Man, that looks cool. Perfect. Cut this fire blaster off now because it's hotter than 2 stones of ass in here. Now I gotta get some more paint, stuff like that, but guys. Whoops. I gotta clean the floor a little bit. Yeah, even that. Put that up there, keep it off the floor. Look at that. Not one problems. That's badass. Cool. Tell me what y'all think in the comments of that right there. Because I think that's cool as shit. Later. Hey guys, I want to say something else. See this cat right here? I just dropped a video on my TikTok. I haven't done that in a while. But see this cat right here? Y'all might have seen him on TikTok. Let the camera focus in on a little bit. Nicholas? Yeah. Man, y'all guys need to quit making fun of this cat right here. This motherfucker here, yes, he looks goofy and stuff like that, but so does Lil Wayne. You know what I'm saying? So does goddamn Tosh69, that doofy fucker. Just leave this kid alone, man. I think this kid's cool as shit. I wish the hell I had the money to buy one of his hoodies. So hell, straight up, what's up, man?